This is the 2017 Audi Q5 2.0 TDI Quattro Sport, a premium mid-size SUV that blends comfort, performance, and technology. Today, we'll take a full look inside and out to see what it's really like to live with. From the side, the Q5 has a clean, strong design. You can see the sloping roofline, the sharp shoulder line, and that Quattro badge reminding you this SUV has all-wheel drive confidence. These 19-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch, wrapped in white tires that give great grip and comfort for both city driving and highway cruising. At the front, the big single-frame grille gives the Q5 its bold Audi identity. The LED headlights have a sharp design and the lower air intakes add to its sporty character. It's a front that looks powerful without being too aggressive. The overall design of the Q5 is modern yet elegant. The body lines flow smoothly from front to back, giving it a sense of movement even when packed. The raised stands and chrome accents show off its premium nature, while the proportions stay balanced, not too bulky, not too small, just the right size for daily use and long trips. From the back, the Q5 keeps things simple but classy. The LED tail lights look sharp and the twin exhaust tips add a bit of sportiness. The Quattro badge sits proudly, reminding you this SUV handles all kinds of roads. The power tailgate and the clean bumper design finish off a practical yet stylish rear look. Under the hood is powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine pushing around 140 kilowatts or 187 horsepower and 400 Newton meter of torque. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 7.9 seconds. Smooth and efficient with the 7-speed S-Tronic gearbox. The Q5 offers around 550 liters of boot space, enough for groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. It also has a power tailgate for easy access, cargo hooks for securing items, and split folding rear seats for extra space. Some versions come with the 12V socket and storage compartments along with the sides for added practicality. Under the boot floor, you'll find a spare tire neatly packed with a jack and tools. And everything fits cleanly and Audi keeps it easy to access in case of emergencies. Inside, the Audi Q5 feels premium and solid. The dashboard layout is clean with a widescreen infotainment system in the center and the passenger side finished in soft touch materials. The digital display behind the steering wheel gives clear driving info and the steering itself feels sporty with multifunction controls. In the center console, you get the Audi's S-Tronic gear selector with the park and manual shift options. Around it, there are buttons for drive select, traction control, auto start, stop, and parking assist. Below the air vents, the climate control panel offers simple buttons and digital screens for both driver and passenger comfort. The front seats are leather, supportive, and come with electric adjustments. They are great for long drives, giving both comfort and a sporty feel. Heating options are also available depending on trim. The rear seats have good legroom and headroom for adults. They can lean back a bit for comfort and the metal armrest makes long trips for more relaxing. Now let's talk about drive and ownership. On the road, the 2017 Audi Q5 2.0 TDI Quattro delivers a refined and confident drive. The diesel engine is smooth and quiet and the torque makes overtaking effortless. The Quattro all-wheel drive keeps it stable even on wet or uneven roads and the suspension handles bumps nicely. Steering feels accurate and the visibility is great for an SUV of this size. Let's talk about fuel and range. With its 70-liter tank and average consumption of about 6 liters per 100 kilometer, you can expect around 1,100 kilometer on a full tank if you drive gently. That is impressive for a mid-sized SUV. Now, for ownership costs. In South Africa, a clean 2017 Q5 2.0 TDI can cost between 350,000 and 420,000 depending on mileage and condition. Good news, this car is for sale with an asking price of 369,900 and has only covered 123,000 kilometers. You can find more details about the seller in the description below. Monthly installments could be around 7,000 rands to 9,000 rands if financed. Insurance varies, but expect roughly 1,500 rands to 2,200 rands per month depending on your profile. Diesel prices and maintenance are moderate for this class, though genuine parts can be pricey since it's a German brand. In terms of reliability, this generation Q5 has improved compared to the earlier models. The 2.0 TDI engine is proven and long-lasting if serviced regularly. Common issues include EGR valve carbon buildup, minor oil leaks, and occasional gearbox mechatronic faults. Regular oil changes and quality diesel help avoid most of this. As for living with it daily, the Q5 feels easy to drive, quiet inside, and packed with safety and tech features. It's family-friendly, comfortable, and premium without being too flashy. So, is it worth buying? If you're looking for a luxury SUV that delivers solid performance, excellent fuel economy, and long-term comfort, the 2017 Audi Q5 2.0 TDI Quattro is a smart choice. It is not the fastest, but is one of the most balanced SUVs in its class. That's it for this review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. From sports cars to everyday drivers. Until next time, this is Kakai, and I'll see you on the next drive.